Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So in a ways, man, the trend traders have been extremely happy lately for the last couple weeks. I've been saying, and then honestly, if you've been following along with my videos, you've probably been pretty happy too because you've been getting in all these pullbacks to go long. We are definitely in all-time highs on gold, which does not mean a thing to me because I believe we're in a wave 3 all the way up to like the weekly, monthly time frame. Wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So guess what? Don't really care that we're in all-time highs because I'm gonna enjoy this trend until the trend is proven to be over on preferably like the 4 hour to daily time frame. So if it does push down, which we are approaching a Fibonacci level, so if and when it does push down, I will instantly put my Fibonacci retracement on this last move. I will look for 1, 2, 3 waves down. I'll look for impulsive up to go long again, just like the entry that we had today. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 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 Even this right here is an expanding correction, which is a 1, 2, 3 way pullback to go long. So the trend is your friend, especially when we're in a wave 3 on such a high time frame. So we do have a couple things to look out for on the news calendar. We got some Aussie news again this evening, which this week has definitely been really Asian-centered news for sure. We got CPI for the Aussie this evening, which they are predicting to lower inflation, or inflation is predicting to be down, that is. So that definitely is something to look out for. Unfortunately, it's 2:30 in the morning my time, so I won't be participating in that. And then tomorrow during the New York session, we got new home sales and we got crude oil investments. Neither of those news events are really big deal for the dollar, and I don't expect either of those news events to really do much for the dollar. But tomorrow is Wednesday, and Wednesday is usually a pretty volatile day in the market, so we should see some nice moves either way. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.